Love handles, or side fat, can be pretty challenging to get rid of. This is the pinchable fat on both sides of your stomach that leads to a muffin top when you wear tight underclothes, jeans or shorts. Since love handle fat sits on the side of the abdominal area, lots of people think that a typical ab workout will blast it away. This isn't the case. Love handles lie on top of the obliques, which are a very specific group of abdominal muscles. In order to really work those fat, you have to target them precisely. If you are wondering, what is the main cause of love handles? Fat retention is the main culprit of love handles. However, love handles, like other belly fat, in general, is caused by other factors. How old are you? Are you exercising enough? How is your diet? And are you always stressed? All these factors cause weight gain and fat deposits in the love handles. Try keeping an eye on all these points, and you may be able to find out why you are gaining fat in these areas. Whether you're a workout beast or just a beginner making your first foray into the world of fitness, we will provide you some great exercises to get rid of love hands. Most love handle workouts are tailored to exercise your core. If your usual belly, core workouts are not getting rid of this stubborn fat, here are some strategy and workouts that you can incorporate in your routine. Step 1. Eat lean, eat clean. Step 2. Try the following 10-minute love handle workout. It hits the obliques hard, while also working the rest of your core. Trust me, it'll give those love handles a run for their money. Repeat the following circuit 3 times, moving as quickly as possible from exercise to exercise. Do this routine 3 times a week. The seated Russian twist is a great core exercise that involves a twisting motion. It engages all the abdominal muscles, the rectus abdominis, internal obliques, and the external obliques. 50 Russian twists. Sit on your butt with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Your torso should be leaning back at a 45 angle to the floor. Hold a dumbbell with both hands. Lift your feet from the ground, crossing them at the ankles and balancing on your butt. From this position, twist your torso to the right and touch your dumbbell to the ground next to your body. Next, twist back over to the left, touching the weight to the left side of your body. Repeat back and forth, all while balancing with your legs and torso raised off of the ground. The side plank with hip lifts activates the obliques and helps to build endurance and core strength. This exercise works the deep abdominal muscles and helps to tighten and shrink the waistline. 30 side plank hip lifts, 15 on each side. Get into side plank position with your elbow on the ground and your legs and hips resting on the ground. Engaging your abs and keeping your body in a straight line, raise the lower half of your body up off the ground into a straight plank position. Lower again and repeat. Do 15 on your right side, and then 15 on your left side. The bicycle crunch is excellent for activating the rectus abdominis, your upper abdominal muscle, and it is second only to the captain's chair for activating the obliques, your side abdominal muscles. Because you are raising your legs, you also engage the transverse abdominis, which is the deep ab muscle that is hard to target. 30 bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Do not clasp your hands together. Engage your abs, lifting your shoulders and upper back off of the ground. At the same time, move your right elbow toward your left knee so that they meet in the middle of your body. Next, switch your position by bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Continue as quickly as possible while still keeping your torso raised up off the ground. These are just exercises that you should add to an already established routine. You must do full-body high-intensity exercises such as squats, jumping high knees, lunges, jumping jacks, chair dips, and more to help you lose weight and burn fat. So what are you waiting for? It's time for change, and do let us know the changes you made.